Hello guys, welcome back to Motor Rise. Now, have you ever wondered how to drive an automatic car? In today's video, we're looking at how to drive an automatic car. So first thing first, before you start, most of my automatic gearboxes will let you select between P, which is for park, R, which is for reverse, N, which is for neutral, and then D, which is for drive. Now, P, which means park, should only be used when you are stopped and getting out of the car. This locks the transmission, preventing it from rolling away. But you still need to apply the handbrake when parked as well. You can all see the handbrake just next to, yes, this is the handbrake. Okay. Now R, which is for reverse, does it as it says, acts the same as a reverse gear in a manual car, and should be selected when you want to drive backwards. Now N, which is for neutral, is the same as knocking a manual gearbox out of gear. It shouldn't be selected when moving. This is known as coasting, okay, but can be used along the handbrake when if you are stopped for a short period of time. So if you are stopped for a short period of time, the neutral can be used. Now, what about the D for drive? Drive will select gears automatically and allow the car to move forward. Okay. Now, something about this car, it has also the L, if I'm not wrong. Yes, the L refers to low mode. This will tell the car to remain in a lower gear for more power and less speed. This will help with towing and steep slopes. And in some cars, you have the S, which stands for sports mode, which often lowers the car's suspension, increasing the level of sensitivity to the throttle and increases the speed of the vehicle's acceleration. The car will often stay in a gear longer to maximize the level of speed. Okay, now back to the main topic. Now, how do you drive an automatic car? So first thing first, we know where the gear lever is. We know the handbrake, where the handbrake is, and a few things we will learn as we go on through the video. So stick until the end of the video to know all and everything and don't miss on anything. Okay, now how to start. First, I'm going to read the instructions, and my brother here will do as it says, so that we can all move in one. So first step, if I may say, you'll put your right foot on the left hand pedal, which is the brake, and push down. So if we look down there, I'll just zoom it so that we all see. We have two gears. Kindly remove your foot. So we have two levers there. That is for the big one is for brake, and then the other one on the right is the acceleration pedal, okay, or the gas pedal, if you may call it. Okay, so as we've said, the first step, you're going to step on the brake basically. Okay, now once you push down the brake, once you've done that, you will start the car by twisting the key or pressing the start button. For this car, we have the start button. So press the start button and you'll see and you hear the car roaring, and then the dash will light, and then you can also see the music system on. So everything is set and the music plays if you're into that. Now, with your foot still on the brake, you're going to close the handbrake. So you press and take it down. That is the handbrake. It's now down. Kindly take it up. You see, you press, take it up, and then down. Good. Now, once you've done that, you with your foot still on the brake and the handbrake off, you're going to move the shifter to D. Okay, so we move the gear shifter to D. That is if you're trying to move forward. If you're trying to move reverse, you'll put it in R. Now you lift the foot off the brake, which will cause most automatic vehicles to creep forward. Okay, so as you can see, the car is now moving. The car is now moving. If you can see, we are moving. Okay, now to gain speed, you'll gently press your right foot down on the right pedal, which is the accelerator, which will help increase the pace. Okay. Okay, so once moving, since the automatic car, the gearbox will select the gears for you, so you just move steadily, and in case you slow down, it will do the rest. Okay, now as you're moving, it's all gentle, smooth, pressing of the gear pad of the gas pedal and the brakes as you're in motion. Now, how to stop? You will slow down by slowly releasing pressure on the gas pedal, and then as you do that, you're going now to shift to the brake and press the brake slowly until the vehicle stops. Like right now, we are stationary. Now, while stationary, keep your foot on the brake and shift the lever to P. So you're going to shift the lever to P. Remember, it was in drive mode. Now you're in P for parking. Okay. You'll now apply the handbrake. The handbrake is now applied. Then turn off the ignition. You'll turn off the ignition, and the car is shut down. So that is basically how to start and stop an automatic car. So I'll basically just run you through the steps that we are all in one state. And put your right foot on the left hand pedal, which is the brake, and push down. Then you'll start the car by twisting the key or pushing the start button. After that, you'll turn off the handbrake. Okay, you're taking it down, and then while your foot's still on the brake, you'll move the shifter to D for drive. Okay, then lift off the foot from the brake. This will cause most automatic cars to creep forward, and while you're doing that, you will slowly apply power to the, you'll slowly press the accelerator, which is the gas pedal, to increase the pace of the car. Okay, so once moving, the gearbox will select the correct gear for you. It's an automatic car, so the transmission is automatic. If you are into riding bicycles, motorcycles, you'll know of a quick shifter. So this is basically something of this sort.